Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I am Gideon Oye, and in this tutorial I just want to quickly do a crash course on on Facebook page, because before you can start using your Facebook page to run adverts, I will advise you to optimize it. And what I mean by optimization is that number one, you must have connected that page to your Instagram account. You must have connected it with your Instagram account. In case you are running adverts on Facebook, it can also run simultaneously on Instagram. Or if you want to run an Instagram advert alone, then you need to must have connected your Facebook page with your Instagram account. And the page you'll be using this evening or today is GitTech Digital, my Facebook page. So yeah, before you can, the first thing you have to do if you have created your page is, I told you yesterday that make sure you put your profile picture here. This side here is where your profile picture would be. You understand me? That is the logo, or it can be the logo of your business or a graphics that contains the informations of your business, so that whoever that comes there will be able to know what you do. And once you click it, once you click this profile picture, if you don't have, or if you have a profile picture and you want to edit it, so once you click this side here, just click it. Then you now click on view profile picture. No, choose new profile picture here. Choose new profile picture. This is it down here. You click on it, and once you click on it, you can now select pictures from your phone. Then this cover, this side is the cover photo here, and it has a dimension. You can go into Canva, look for Facebook page cover photo, and you will see a whole lot of templates there that you can edit. But as for this, I created it myself. I designed it from scratch. Okay, so you can click on it. So once you just tap here, just tap it, you click on edit cover area, and you choose. Once I click on edit here, I click on it, I can now go to my phone and choose the picture I want to use there. All right, so let me go back now. How can you link your Instagram account? How can you link your Facebook page with your Instagram account? The first thing, if you look at my top right hand side here, you can see settings button. So you click on settings here, top right hand. Click on settings, and once you click on settings, you come down. You can see Instagram. We have general, we have page info, messaging, notifications, page rows, people and other pages, and we have Instagram account. So you click on Instagram account, and once you click on Instagram account, as you can see here, it's writing disconnect here. It's writing disconnect because I have linked my Facebook page with my Instagram account. That is the reason. But in your case that you are just starting the page, you've just created the page, you will see, what you will see here is they will ask you to choose Instagram account. You click on it, then it will take you to your browser where you can now log into your Instagram account, and you see a button connect. You connect automatically. So that is how to link your Facebook page with your Instagram account. So let's go back. I'm using Android phone for this short tutorial because I believe so many of us, even almost everybody here, operates Android phone every time. All right, let's look at WhatsApp. We have general page info, page rows, notifications, messaging, WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp here. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, then you can now link your WhatsApp also. It will be an advantage for you if you have WhatsApp business. So you link your Facebook page with your WhatsApp business. That is that. Let me come back. Now, if you want to change your Facebook name, you want to change your Facebook page name, Maybe you have the page is there. You've created the page for years and you want to, Facebook does not allow you to create a new page. Even in my case, if I click on create new page, it's writing I've created too much pages. I think that problem is general, which is from Facebook, because robot controls all these things. So what you do, you just pick one of your pages that you have. One of your pages, you change the name to suit the name of your business or what you want to use it for. So before you, how can you change the name of a page? Look at this. Look at this general. Can you see this general up here? This general. Yes, so you click on general. That means that you want to do general settings, if I'm right. Yes. You click on general and automatically all these things are set. All these things are set. So you don't need to touch anything. Let's look for edit. 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 Okay, I think it's not here. Let me check. Let me check. Let's go back. Okay, let's look at new page experience. What we have here. All right. So for you to, can you see? For you to have a new page experience, for you to change your page, like some of you were asking yesterday that how can I change my page? As it is now, it is classic page. Don't forget this kind. If you want to change it to new experience, it has disadvantages. I will advise you, if you're into business and your page is like this, you leave it. New page experience is meant for public figure. Let's say you want to be using you want to grow your followers. Maybe you are a pastor or you are a musician or comedian. Then you can change your Facebook page to the new experience page. So right here, click on it, and once you click on it, you will click on get started, and once you click on get started, you start following next till it changes to new page experience. But now let's go back to how we can edit the name of our Facebook page. I'm trying to get something here. Let me see. Okay, all right. Okay, as you can see, this is how you can change it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to page info. Here is page info, this side, page info. Click on it, and once you click on it, you can see this is the name. This is the name, Gifted Digital, of my Facebook page. You click on it, and once you click on it, here you can edit it. So click here and you can edit the name of your page to suit your business. Also, let me see some other things that I feel I should. All right, now if you want to add admins, you want to add another person to be an admin with you in your Facebook page. That is, you are an admin, you created it automatically, you are the admin of that page, and you need another admin to join you. That is, whatever you are doing on your page, the other person also will be able to do it and edit your page. There are some people, they have 5 admins, you have 3 admins. If the workload is too much on you, you can have 2 3 admins, like a content creator now. Or let's say, let's look at these comedians. They upload every time, they upload content every time, and at times the work might be cumbersome. But what we do is that you hire admins. You add them. How can you add admins? You come to page rows. See here, page rows. And once you come to page rows, you click on it. And after you must have clicked on it, you click on add person. And once you click on add person, it will bring out, you will need to re-enter your Facebook password. That is your personal Facebook account. You enter the password you use in logging in, you enter it here, and once you enter it here, you click on continue. Then it will show a bar, it will show a search bar where you can search for the name of the person you want to add as an admin. You search for it and you add the person as an admin. But let me go back. All right, so that is a crash course. If you I believe everybody knows how to post. All right, so that is that. Let's continue the class.